Gaetan brought his Hemi Road Runner into Nick's garage this afternoon. Nothing major, it just needs a little adjustment of the carbs.
Rich on idle. We're just trying to lean it out a little bit. So I'll just make it like an 8 to turn on all the screws and that's it. It's just to, when you stand behind the car, you don't want to have that rich fuel smell. Besides that, it's all good. We're indoors, I do smell something. But if I lean it out anymore, it's going to stall on it. So I'll do it perfect where it is. You know, the only thing that comes out is through. Because I cut the fuel. Okay. I don't want to go too much.
No, I'm okay. I'm agree with
you. This is one nice car. It's got everything. It's missing nothing. Hemi, air grabber, 4-speed and a Dana. And a Hemi orange color. What else do you want?
Nothing else, nothing less. That's it.
And you guys, if you look down below the video, we have a whole bunch of merchandise that you guys can buy. So whatever you like, buy it, love it, wear it, and enjoy it. And help spread the word of Nick's Garage. And if you have some time, check out our Patreon page. We have extra content and you guys can watch it and take it from there. And we'll see you next time.